This is March the 6th, and we are taking measurements for a pigeon exclusion job. Reginald Murray, Jennifer Murray, Oklahoma Wildlife Control. Reg, will we remove the nest before we start this exclusion job?
We'll remove everything because it's been defeated. Squirrels, and they're also plastic bird spikes up. So it is, at this point, inadequate equipment that's up there. We'll remove every bit of it.
There it is. See that screening?
That screen on the end cap?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There's a nest in there behind that.
Yeah, that's a squirrel nest.
That's a squirrel nest. So we're going to have to exclude the squirrels while we're at it.
I'm going to have to remove the squirrels. That's already figured into the estimate. Their maintenance personnel defeated the initial installation. If you can see that pigeon on top of that light is standing on top of a piece of wire screen, quarter-inch wire screen that the maintenance personnel put up there to keep the squirrels from going down chewing the wires in half on the light.
Oh, it gave that pigeon a great place to perch and build his little nest.
And that's exactly what it did. So we're going to come back in, and some of these tines on the plastic have been chewed off, or the entire strip is missing, the segment of the strip is missing, have been chewed off by the squirrels. So we're going to reinstall.
This one here stops. It doesn't go quite all the way. And
yeah,
that's just a great perching place for these pigeons, and they've made this their home.
So we're going to put in stainless steel spikes that we use by Nixolite that squirrels can't chew in half.
Talk to me about why we need to remove these pigeons, about what is the hazard that they pose?
The health hazard is histoplasmosis through fecal matter, which is a respiratory illness.
And the fecal matter, if you look here on the ground, there's quite a bit of it, and I'm sure they try to keep this cleaned off, but this is very, very dangerous to have in any quantity, large or small. You can see over here in the flower beds, they're against the wall, where they're just roosting. This is their home.
When you speak in terms of, that's the health risk, and this is on the entrance to the health center for a retirement community. This is the actual trauma center that they have on this location. But when you talk in terms of a business, the feathers hanging out of the gutters and the fecal matter all over the ground and dripping down the walls is just unsightly for any business.